Imagine typing a single sentence and actually watching a full-fledged website appear right before your eyes. The website is designed, built, and ready to go live right before your eyes. It's not magic. It's something called AI, artificial intelligence. And in today's video, we're going to be building a full-fledged website from start to finish. We literally, by giving AI a prompt, I'm going to watch AI do this website for us, right? And this is website that Apple and Fiverr are actually selling for thousands of dollars. So if you are smart, this is a business opportunity for you. You can actually use the AI and charge thousands of dollars on Fiverr as well. Now, AI is actually changing the way we actually live our lives, and sometimes it's so surreal for me because I actually started out my career as a web designer. Now, we can actually argue that AI is actually replacing a lot of jobs, and people who actually have those jobs will become unemployed. That's not particularly true, but that's a topic for a different video. If you want to hear my thoughts on that conversation, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be making that video specifically for those of you guys who are interested. But that's it, guys. Let's go and build a website right now using AI, and you're going to be watching me do it. So before we jump right in, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and what I do is actually make videos around making money online. Just take your time, go to my channel. I'm sure that there are other videos that will actually pique your interest. Now, it's also important that you smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it, guys. Let's jump right in and actually go build a website with just AI right now. So what you need to do is to click on the first link in my video description. Once you click on this, it's going to bring it to the interface you're looking at right now on my laptop screen, and this website actually does exactly what it says. You can get your website in just 30 minutes, build and publish your website by just chatting and with AI. No coding skill required, right? So why there is a price tag for this particular AI, there's also this free plan right here that will give you 250 credits, share with Readdy domain, and collect 3 to 5 voice minutes and 50 chat messages. That's what you get for this free plan, right? So you can actually use their test it out, confirm that this actually works, and you actually jump into a paid plan, right? So this is a starter for $11 per month, right? Now this is builder for $24 per month, and this is pro for $8 per month. That's if you're paying yearly, you're going to be getting a 40% discount. So I will actually encourage you to actually pay yearly, and this is the most popular plan. This is the plan that I actually use personally, right? Then come here and click on get started, actually buy this plan. So let's get started. I'm going to come here and click on try for free, and it's going to bring me to this interface. So what I'm going to do right now is to just come here and say I want to continue with Google, right? I'm going to select one of my emails that I actually want to use to actually create an account on Readdy.ai right now. So it's going to show me this interface. Now, what best describes your role when using Readdy.ai? Are you a business owner? Are you an e-commerce seller? Are you an agency freelancer? So freelancer, if you actually want to sell web design services as a web designer, right? That's something you can do on Fiverr and Upwork and all of those. You can select this, right? Internal team, you own the product, you're a student, you're this. So I'm going to say business owner, and I'm going to say let's get started, right? So Readdy.ai actually have a new feature where your AI powered chats and voice assistants that provide 24/7 support, right, for your business. So if you have a website, you can actually integrate this into your website, and of course there's a live chat right there, AI powered, that is there 24/7 for you. So I'm going to say got it, right? Create your project. I want to build a web and mobile website, right? If it's a mobile website, then you can select this, but I actually want to build a web and mobile website. That's what I want to do. So the name of my project, I want to build a website for a spa called Oasis Wellness. It's a spa and a beauty place. So I'm going to say create, and this is loading right now. So publish your website today. So what I need to do right now is very simple. I just need to come here and drop my prompt. So I've said create a very professional website for Oasis Wellness, a high-end spa and beauty center targeting the top 1%. I need 4 pages. Homepage with hero video section, services with all services offered, an about us page that has a history of the business, and a contact us page that has a form to collect details and queries alike. The design should be top-notch, a blend of modern and class with call to action buttons embedded strategically around the website. Make the website responsive on all screens, right? So this is the prompt. What I'm going to do right now is to hit this send, right? But I need to bring to your attention that you can actually put more than 514 characters right here. You can actually put 5,000 characters, and you can give it this prompt with voice. I can basically click here and tell it what I want it to do, and it can actually build this website for me by just telling it to build a website, literally, right? And you can also send a reference of an image. There's a website you like, and take the image of that website and bring it right here and say build a website like this for me, or something like that, right? And it does that for you. So I'm going to come here and hit send, right? And what's going to happen is that this may take a few minutes. While you wait, check out some handy designs, right? So this is AI right here. This is the prompt I gave it. This is the response, adding Readdy agent to actually start creating this website for us right now. That's how easy it is, right? As a matter of fact, this is actually amazing. This is amazing. So in a little while, we're going to be seeing what it has done for us. So while we are waiting for Readdy AI to actually finish this job, it's important that I state the fact that I think that people who are most likely going to become obstinate in this AI age, it basically people who don't adapt and learn how to actually use AI for maximum productivity. As a matter of fact, in my office every day, right, I use AI more than I actually talk to my staff. That's the truth, right? As a matter of fact, I actually built a whole business model that I'm implementing right now by me sitting down for just about 2-3 hours talking to ChatGPT, right? Telling me I want to build this business. How do I do this? How do I marketing strategy? Everything. I actually wrote even the SOP for my staff for that particular business. And guess what? The revenue is mad right now. So my point is that AI is the future, and you need to take advantage of it right now. So this AI is really telling us what it's doing, right? If you come up right here, it's going to see. Okay, so I'm going to come up here. It said I will create a professional high-end website for overseas tool called I would create a professional high-end website for overseas, 8 operations, and this is it, right? It's done. So homepage, serotonin, blah blah blah, all of this, right? It says version 1. This is what it has done for us, and this is amazing, right? This is amazing. This is what people actually pay thousands of dollars to actually get web designers to actually do this thing for them, and this is how easy it is to this AI to actually do it for us. So this is the AI actually thinking and doing the right thing. We have the logo right here. We have all the pages right here linked, and the book appointments, which I didn't mention, but he understood that it's a spa and people might need to book appointments, and he has actually added that for us right here. Now this is consultation, book consultation, explore services, and of course the spa room. Very beautiful. This is nice, right? This is nice. Our premium services, luxury spa treatment, skincare, it gave us all the contents, all the text that we need, right? It did everything for us. View all services. This is awesome, right? So this is world luxury meets wellness. This is amazing. This is simply amazing. And what our clients say: ready to begin your journey, book appointment or call us now. Experience wellness, home service. About this is actually amazing, right? So we have the contact information right here. Make believe. So we also have this talk with us, right? This is amazing, right? This is awesome. I love this. So if you come here and go to services, this is what it has done for the services page. Our premium services, you see all the services and the prices right here. So you can actually take your time and edit all of this. You actually added images for us as well. I could have said target specific country, right? And use images of people in that country as well, right? It has going to do all of those things for us. As a matter of fact, I can actually tell it like that. I can say this business is targeted at Africans. Use African images and other information for this website. I'm going to hit send, right? And of course, it's going to edit what he has done for us and implement the new prompt that I actually gave it right now. So it says, I will update Oasis Wellness to better reflect African culture and target African clientele. Let me modify the content, images, and information to be more culturally relevant. It says modifying file. That's what it's doing right now. It's actually fixing everything that it has done before. That's what it's fixing right now. So this is the point where we actually fold our hands again, right? And basically wait for this AI to do all the heavy lifting for us. Oh, wow. This is a lot better. This is a lot better. So you see, celebrate your African beauty days. We are traditional African wellness for modern luxury. So we have, this is awesome, right? This is amazing. So we have Africans rooted in African heritage. This is awesome. So I'm going to click on services to see what it has done with services right now. So you moved it to South Africa, Rand, using Rands actually, right? If I was specific and I said this country would have feel around the country, but because I said Africa, you chose the best country in Africa, which is actually South Africa. So let's see the About Us page as well. Our Ubuntu story, actually beauty business around Africa, around South Africa, our mission, our vision, our journey of excellence. We were founded in 2012, all of this, you keep going, right? Meet our cultural wellness experts, right? So keep going. This is the contact us page. I told you to actually put a form right here, right? So let's see if you actually did the job. So he put the form that I said he should put. This is awesome, right? Visit our spa right here. Colors, all of this, right? This is amazing, right? Like it says, tell me what to change, specific and clear. One task at a time. Use the selector for better clarity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you to update the address to 1212 Nelson Mandela Drive, Johannesburg, South Africa, right? I can also tell it to change the phone number and all of those things. You know, you get the drill, right? Change the phone number, change the email, change all of this. I'm going to hit send, and of course it's going to change all of these addresses, both here and at the bottom, everywhere the address shows, you know, to what I just gave it right now. So you're basically building a website with prompts. So you see that this address has been changed to what I just gave you right now. So if you have an email address or your phone number, you can tell it as well, and it's going to update this. Now look at this as well. This is the same thing. This has been updated as well, right? To reflect the address that I just gave it right now. That's how easy this is to do. I also told it to build a responsive website for us, which means that it's going to be responsive on all screens, for mobile, tablet, everywhere else. So I'm going to come here and select mobile view. This is what it's going to look like on mobile. So you can click on this place and go to home, and this is what the home page is going to look like on mobile. This is amazing, right? It's amazing. I love it. I love it. So you want to see this on full screen, you can click on this place and see exactly what it's going to look like on full screen, right? So I'm going to tap escape to go back to where I was. Now this is where you want to share this with your friends. Click on this and copy the link, right? So you can actually see it right here. This is what it looks like. Homepage. We just built this right now. Contact us, book appointment, all of these things, right? So this is very easy to actually do and implement. And of course, you can also share the code. You want to come here and download the code, right? So you can actually implement it yourself and all of those things, but you're unable to download the code on the free version, right? So you need to upgrade. You need to upgrade your subscription to this, either this or this, to be able to actually download the code so you can use it elsewhere. You can also export this to either MasterGo or Figma as well as a design, so you can actually give it to your developer to actually expatiate on it. Now, there are also integrations right here. You know, they are Supabase. You can actually do authentication, database storage, edge functions, all of those things with this. Easy peasy. So you can also integrate Stripe, so you can collect payments for our spa, literally, right? So you can also use Shopify if you want to sell your own product as well. You can integrate with Shopify. You want to sell consulting, Calendly for people to book the consulting, all of that. You can integrate this. You can also integrate MailChimp for marketing purposes, email marketing specifically. And of course, Google Analytics, you can analyze website traffic and user behavior. And of course, Readdy Agent, AI, voice, and chat, you know, this stuff right here, you can actually implement it, right? Easy peasy. Now, this is the form. You can also edit the form and implement it, do your SEO, the Readdy Agent, and of course, you can actually publish this. You can actually publish this. Now, there are two ways to publish this. It's either you use your own domain, which you already have a domain, or no, I don't have a domain yet, right? So right now, if you have a domain, you can click on this place, click on next. It's going to ask you for your domain and guide you through the process of actually integrating your own domain. So if your domain is elitewellnessspa.com or elitewellnessspa.co.uk, you know, can actually help you with the process. So I'm going to say that I don't have a domain because I don't have one right now. Click on next, right? So enter the domain that you like. I like elitewellness.com. I'm gonna hit next, and it's gonna take you through the step of actually buying your domain and hosting, right? So easy peasy. So you can check and see that this is available, this domain is available. You can actually buy it and connect your domain. But I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna go back right here. Go back and go to previous again and say, yes, I already have a domain. I hit next, and it's going to ask for my domain. You put your domain right here. It's going to confirm and show you how to actually link your domain so you can actually publish your website live. Now, this took us about 15 minutes to do, right? And this is how to actually build a website. Now building websites like this is what this person is charging $4,500 to do on Fiverr. This guy is charging $3,900 to do the same thing on Fiverr. This guy is charging $1,900 to do this on Fiverr. $200, this is where he starts from, and so that if you call him now, he's going to tell you that it's going to cost more than this, right? So $500 here, $1,000 here, $8, $450. So this is a business opportunity for you. You can actually come on Fiverr right now, create a web design service, and you can actually pay for a subscription on Readdy.ai and actually use Readdy.ai to build the website when clients actually give you a job to do for them. Easy peasy. So if you have watched this video to this point and you happen to have any question, what you need to do is to just let me know in the comment section, as I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions. And if you don't know that already, I want to encourage you right now to smash the like button on this video again, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if you want to learn how to make your first $1,000 online in 2026, this video showing up right here will show you guys exactly how to get that done.